Create your dream showering space with the sleek sophistication of the Nuie Renay sliding shower door with an optional side panel. Both are available in a wide range of sizes, ensuring there's a size to suit almost any bathroom layout. Ideal for use in various configurations, this door can be installed alone in a recess or paired with a matching side panel to create a striking corner enclosure. This flexibility makes it the perfect choice for anyone looking for a sliding door enclosure. With a smooth, gliding action, the shower door provides easy access while saving space. Ideal for bathrooms where every spare inch counts. The door is reversible, so it can fit to open from either the left or right, giving you added flexibility to suit your room. Functionality is just as important as style, and this door excels at keeping water exactly where it should be, inside the designated showering area and off the bathroom floor. The glass panels ensure minimal splashing and maximum containment, so your bathroom floor stays dry and safe. Whether you're planning a full renovation or just updating your space, our sliding door fits seamlessly into your vision. We have everything you need to create a beautiful and practical shower enclosure. Discover this and the rest of the Nuie shower enclosures range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.